Nuwber is a service that lets you search for publicly available information on people, including yourself. It is a people search engine that offers its users the ability to find out detailed personal information online about individuals and business records. Most of us don't like the idea of our own information being so publicly accessible to strangers. That's why the company has a process for removing your personal details if you find them. Here's how you can opt out. First, go to nuwber.com. Enter your first and last name. Put your city and the state. Then, click the search button. Agree to the terms and condition by ticking the checkbox. Find the matching profile and click View Details link on the corresponding list. Scroll down to the Control Your Listings section and click on the Nuwber OPT Out link. You will be taken to the opt-out page that already contains the URL of your record. To proceed, click the Opt-out button. Check the details and ensure it is your record. Enter your email address and click on Remove. Check your inbox for the verification email from Nuwber. Click Confirm Request button to complete the removal process. Your opt-out request has been submitted. You will now receive an email confirmation. Nuwber will remove your information immediately after you confirm the request and will take about 2 minutes for you to receive the confirmation email from them that your information has been deleted. Don't have time to remove yourself from this site? Delete My Info is here to protect you. Visit us at deletemyinfo.com to know more.